Oh my God, I'm in heaven. Ang dami dito, oh.
Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving.
Take your booty. You got cooties.
Anyway.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning! Good morning, everything. Time check, it is 10:27. Yes, it's very early. And kumain ako kanina ng counting banana bread. Pero this time, I'm going to eat some chicken. The chicken soup, the tinola, and then a little bit of rice. Mao niya itong kanon kasi dahil mao mo niya itong kanon kay kinahanglan mo gud ta kaon para ta dili ta maluya. Unya manggod magluto, magkuan man gud dito sa gawas. Maghinlo ko ba? So kailangan ko maghinlo, gusto ko maghinlo sa labas. So kaon ta, una usa ta magtrabaho. Hindi mainit. Hi guys! So guys, napagplanuhan namin kasi, di ba, I was planning to do outside, to do some yard work, finish my work out there. But when I went look in under our porch, the groundhog start digging, and I said, this is not good. This is enough. So Tommy told me, mint it's good to push the groundhog away, or they won't like kind of herb. They don't like herb smell, they said. So let's try this mint thingy. So I will probably buy 4 in the can, in the pot, and then I will. I'm just gonna put 1 in the under, 3 in the really world thing. I don't know. Let's see what we can find. But he's planning to get some. How do you call this?
Bird feeder.
Bird feeder stand or post or.
Because you don't like hanging from the tree.
Yeah, they keep doing my my molds from the tree. Brush.
Oh, the grass, not brush.
Okay, brush.
Brush doesn't really tell me nothing. Tell me something.
Brush.
You want soil.
Yeah.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here?
Okay guys, andito tayo ngayon sa garden center. Oh, they have a lot of big tomato already here. Where's the herb? It's right here, oh. Rosemary, oregano Italian. I'm looking for mint. I'm looking, oh, maybe it's right here. No, it's not. Spearmint. Tommy, you stay over there because you're smoking. Is this the right mint? This is not. Oh, the here peppermint. It's sweet mint. This is peppermint. They have lemongrass, guys, but this is a different lemongrass. It's a lemongrass, son.
I see lemongrass, but I don't see catnip. It says they have catnip here, but I don't see catnip. This looks like mint.
No, this is tomato.
What is it, tomato plant?
How much is this? $10. I have mine is dying. Okay, I'll wait here. That's a weird card. Okay. Han, look, I like this parsley, Han. It's a curly one.
No, I don't like the curly.
Why?
Like curly parsley.
Why?
Flat parsley.
Is that a right mint over there? Which one? This one? This is different kind of mint.
I don't know. Usually it just says mint.
This is peppermint.
Got a couple more.
So peppermint, guys. I'll get more. This one is a sweet one. Sweet peppermint.
Yeah, but there's more peppermint down there. No, that's sweet mint, not
That's
sweet
it.
peppermint.
Oh, there is peppermint bigger. Oh. What is the price? Is in here.
There's two. Yeah, peppermint here. These.
I will transfer it. I have a big pot anyway.
Down on the bottom too.
Okay, that's it. This is good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Huh?
That's right.
Dami dito, guys. Grabe, ang saya. Oh, they have eggplant.
These are the ones you like, you
Oh
said?
yeah, that's the one, guys.
Japanese eggplant.
Yeah. Okay, how much is this? $6?
$7.
Huh?
$7.
Why this is dying? They're not happy. Look, they need water. I have a lot
Red
already.
romaine?
Yes, I did. I have to get one of this, guys. Han, I'm going to get one.
How about peppers? They got jalapenos.
I did plant. Oh my God, I'm in heaven. Ang dami dito, oh. Look, eggplant, Japanese eggplant. Ang ganda nito, oh. Oh, look, tingnan nyo, puti. Maganda. Anong pangalan nito? Me Breeze Phlox? What is that? Perennial. Come back year after year. Wow, this is pretty. Why you're getting it? What it says? Is it perennial?
It says perennial, but it's a temperature drop to 34 degrees that die. Oh, 30 or 40 degree area or below.
Look at
Lavender
this.
tree.
Oh, but look at this.
Lavender tree.
Is this grow every year? Oh, this is like indoor thing, I think. Lavender tree. It's so pretty. Hmm? Get the other one. No, no.
How many of these?
Do it. No, no, no.
How many?
Here. Get the one top one. Huh? That's it. Plant heaven here. I really like this purpley thing.
Don't get.
Oh, this is the one I'm looking. Because I need more. This one.
I like when they tell you.
Oh my God, that's like so hot. Ang init. I still have to do yard work kasi kailangan ko. And my husband buying different kind of food. What is that box really? Why you need to?
The little bird squares for the little birds.
The little
Because
bird
that house has a thing on the side.
Forever, 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 forever. I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever,
ice cream it is, or ice cream is a shake. Andito kami ngayon sa, sa vanilla. Andito kami sa ice cream na lugar. Nagpabili ako ni Tami ng shake, a vanilla shake. And then I think ang sa kanya din is shake din. I don't know kung anong kukunin niya. Tami gave me, seems like it's a chocolate.
Is it?
Yeah.
Then let me bring it back. You want me to take it back? Give these.
Oh, whatever, it's fine. It's like vanilla, but it's chocolate.
It's
Seriously.
only vanilla. So she screwed up. I said a small vanilla shake and a medium sundae. So she brings me the sundae first. Then she comes back, and I'm waiting for the shake. She comes back. She takes the sundae and throws it in the garbage. So look, I got backwards. So she gave me a small sundae. But in the meantime, she screwed up the shake too. Yeah, that looks chocolate to me.
Oh my god, it's chocolate.
Sorry, huh? I'll bring it back.
I already have opened it. It's okay. Okay, we're going. Lucky me.
I figured I always get the shake, so this time you got the shake and I get the shake.
Yeah, I was thinking you're getting shake like a shake. Shake your
I always do.
body. Shake your body.
I'm inside looking at bird feeders. And his family with like, I guess a mother and 3 daughters or some shit, and they're talking. I would never live in Florida.
I will never live in Florida.
Yeah, you're like, oh, you gotta wear a hat for the sun, and you look stupid. I'm saying, really, you look stupid as you're standing here with a diaper on your face,
What?
talking about looking stupid.
Diaper in your face.
Pretty much.
Forever, I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
Dahil he loves birds so much, guys, look what he did. It's like, it seems like we don't have a bird feeder. Like, it's crazy.
I don't have a single pole.
Nothing else. That's it.
Right?
Yun, andito tayo sa bahay. Yan si Tami, tinitignan niya yung yung dapat ilagay sa labas. Bird feeder. So, ngayon, yun yung niya. So, hindi na ako magdala ng camera. Dire-diretso na tayo magawa sa labas. Kasi kailangan kong tapusin, guys. Kasi bukas, Saturday, Sunday, Monday is raining. So, walang instruction, guys. My baby is confused. Are you confused now?
It seems crazy to me that something tell you what the piece is for.
There's no. I think there is a picture in the box, in the outside part.
Go ahead, get the boxes and see.
What's wrong? Hey, what's wrong? Come here.
Little rubber hammer. Oh, it's really not deep enough.
Huh? Look, be careful, you might break that.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up. And we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Okay guys, look. Bird, ano ni Tami. And don't overflow, ha? It's going to break this thing.
Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
Hi guys, hindi pa ako tapos guys. Maglalagay na lang ako ng mulchi. Magmo-mulch na lang tayo. At saka itong si Roxy at saka si Misty, naghingi ng pagkain. Ito naman si Habs dumating. Gustong kumain din. Maghintay kayo sa dinner ninyo. Okay, sorry Habs. You have to wait for your dinner. So, ngayon guys, pupunta tayo sa likuran, sa harapan. Continue tayo na, nalinis ko na yung number 3 na kahoy. Lagyan ko na lang siya ng mulch, yun na lang. And also, yung mga nabili ko na mga mint, na mga peppermint, i-transfer ko siya sa malalaking, para ilagay natin doon kung saan yung mga groundhog na pumapasok. So, yun na lang yung gawain ko. Hindi na ako magluto eh. Ang dami pa namang, meron naman tayong steak. Hindi ko na kayo dalhin ha, kasi yung kapitbahay kasi nagtambay sila sa likuran nila na nahiya akong mag-vlog. Na andun sila nakatambay. Nagkakat din sila ng grass and then yung sa kabila dito yung bagong kapitbahay. Siya yung tumulong sa akin. Doon sila, nagkat sila ng grass pagkatapos nag-relax, nagtambay sa likuran nila and then ganun-ganun ako, ganun-ganun. Nahiya ako guys. Sana, hindi kasi, andito kasi kahit malayo yung mga bahay-bahay, hindi naman siya masyadong malayo. Malapit yung bahay-bahay dito, pero parang ilan lang kami dito, 4 kami, yung malalapit sa isa't isa, 4 kami, diba? So, kung mag-vlog ako, kitang-kita nila. Lalo na sa mga kapitbahay talaga, makikita talaga. And then, kung magsasalita ka, maririnig talaga kasi mag-iko-iko talaga guys. Iwan ko talaga dito. Kung may sasabihin ka, like yung kapitbahay, may pinag-uusapan, mag-iko-iko talaga guys. Kung may mag-away, rinig talaga. Hi guys! I am finally done outside with mulching. So, and also Tammy is done cutting outside. Oh my god. Now we have two bird thing. Okay guys, I will show you guys. Ipakita ko sa inyo yung tatlong kahoy na nalagyan ko ng mulch. Ang dumi-dumi ko. Dito lang tayo. I-ano ko lang, i-focus. Look, nalagyan ko na ng Yun. And then, ito yung isa. And then, yung isa dyan lang. My hubby is eating stinky. Is eating stinky. How's your stinky? Misty, come eat your din. I need to, guys, wash my face. And also, what I'm gonna do is shake my head.
Shake your booty. You got cooties.
Anyway. I like it when it cook. Just the cheese. I have to make sure that my hair don't have a thick. You still don't tell me how to apply that thick repellent.
I gotta read it and see.
We don't even watch a TV. We don't even turn the TV the whole day. It's amazing because usually Tommy loves the TV on.
But we don't watch it.
Yeah.
It's just on.
Usually Tommy, even in nighttime, Tommy loves to just have a TV in his ear, on his ear, listening. And that's who he is, guys. Somebody asked me, oh, your TV is on, but you guys not watching. Well, guys, when I meet Tommy in the Philippines, we go crazy. Oh, kill the TV, shut it off. Electric is running. So, over here, TV is on all the freaking time. Today is amazing. No TV, right, Bibar? Hi, guys! Balik tayo, guys. Binalik ko lang yung mga damit natin na nasuot. So, ngayon, let's cook the leftover steak. Are you sure you don't want your steak recooked?
Yeah.
Okay. Uh-oh, your phone start ringing, love.
Yeah. Hello?
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got it? Our lines crossed. We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart, and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way?
I'm gonna end the vlog na, guys, kasi si Mr. tulog na. Si Mr. tulog na. Gusto na patulogin na sa taas, doon sa bedroom. Salamat, guys, sa panunood sa vlog na ito. And yun. So anyway, guys, kita-kita tayo bukas, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Thank you. I appreciate it.